Number 2. 2026 Volvo Motorhome. Eco-friendly features, Scandinavian design, and safety make the 2026 Volvo Motorhome a distinctive luxury motorhome entrance. This motorhome's simplicity and elegance embody Volvo's design, sustainability, and ingenious functionality. Exterior design aerodynamics distinguish the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, FMX or Volvo Chassis Power Motorhomes. Volvo Thor Hammer LED headlamps, frameless double-glazed panoramic windows, and aluminum and composite panel construction are exterior characteristics. Satellite dome with solar panels on top. Power awnings, underfloor storage status, Volvo performance, and style go together. Indoor style and comfort. A Scandinavian minimalist paradise awaits. Open areas, straight lines, and natural light are valued. Luxury leather or wool mix furnishings, floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows, and ash or birch cabinetry define the living room. Colored ambient lights and a 55-inch retractable smart TV enhance the scene. Solid surface worktops, built-in lighting, a convection oven, a big fridge, freezer, an induction cooktop, and filtered water are included. A touchscreen control panel, ambient ceiling light panels, soundproof walls, and a king-size memory foam bed with underbed storage are included. Bathroom, heated flooring, stone-textured tiles, smart mirror, spa-style wet bath with rain shower. Volvo protects people and the environment using hypoallergenic, sustainable materials. Tech and networking infotainment, a massive wall touchscreen or smartphone, app-based Android lighting, security heating, and cooling control center. 5G, Starlink, and wireless charging, voice-activated blinds, zone-based climate management, and AI-assisted energy efficiency are smart systems. Volvo Motorhome 2026 engines vary in performance and drivetrain. D8K mild hybrid diesel for long-distance efficiency. Volvo e-motorhomes provide intelligent terrain management, regenerative braking, and 300-kilometer range. For off-road and winter use, AWD is optional. Volvo's air suspension and rapid steering make this RV SUV-like. Safety features Volvo's RV's 360-degree cameras, radar-based collision prevention, emergency braking, lane keep assistance, fatigue warning, gas leak sensors, pedestrian and cyclist identification, semi-autonomous highway driving with pilot assistance, and living space fire suppression give unrivaled safety. Road-safe RV, cost and access. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome costs $280,000 to $400,000 for customized editions. With limited production and customizable interiors, Volvo delivers exclusivity. Verdict: Volvo Motorhome. 2026 is secure, elegant, and eco-friendly. Volvo competes in luxury RVs with confidence. This RV makes long-term or weekend travel safer, more comfortable, and peaceful. Number 1. 2026 Range Rover Motorhome. Introducing the ultra-premium 2026 Range Rover Motorhome, which combines British style with Land Rover's off-road capabilities. This model's 5-star mobile living room and all-terrain confidence will please adventurous travelers. Performance, capability. This motorhome boasts outstanding road comfort and off-road performance because to its modified long-wheelbase Range Rover foundation. The 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, 523 horsepower, and 3.0-liter Y6 PHEV have 60-mile ranges. Terrain Response 2 and AWD off-road features. 8-speed auto with air suspension, 11.6 inches ground clearance. Towing limit, 7,700 pounds. Wade sensing, all-terrain progress, and slope decline control. Going along the coast or over mountain passes is safe and easy. Living area inside. In remote areas, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome includes boutique hotel amenities. Home area 150-inch UHD smart TV with Meridian 3D surround sound, a fold-out work table with a minibar, a panoramic roof above the lounge, 2 leather reclining lounge chairs with heating and massage, power privacy screens, and ambient mood lighting dual-zone climate control, soft close closets, modular storage, a memory foam queen bed with a Range Rover logo on the headboard, and an optional pop-out extension are in the bedroom. A filtered water sink, fold-away prep room countertop, refrigerator, freezer drawers, and small microwave induction burner are in the kitchenette. We employ high-quality metal and wood treatments. Tech for smart bathrooms, a 5G hotspot with multimedia streaming, lithium-ion battery banks powering solar charging roof panels, voice-activated cabin controls, lighting, blinds, media, etc. A heated mirror and towel rail, an eco-toilet with black water management, automatic skylight lighting and ventilation, and a fully enclosed wet bath with rainfall shower are part of the Range Rover Pivi Pro. Remote climate preparation, smart entry, and smartphone apps improve motorcycle safety and assistance. 360-degree surround camera, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, trailer support, lane keep assistance, and off-road vision. CO2, gas, and cabin fire detection systems markets, luxury adventurers, eco-conscious luxury consumers, PHEV model, digital nomads, remote professionals, and overland travelers seeking roadside refinement. Prices range from $450,000 to $700,000 depending on off-grid capability, finishes, and drivetrain.